BJP, on behalf of BJP, we wish all the people of the country and all the people of Tamil Nadu, brothers and sisters, a very, very happy, healthy, wealthy 2026, happy new year. 2025 was an achievement with GST and economic reforms. Our Honorable Prime Minister made 2025 as a year of development. And 2026 will be a year of super development by our Honorable Modi ji. But it is contrast in Tamil Nadu. The international leader has wished the international faculty saying that there should be war-free New Year. But in Tamil Nadu, we have to wish the people as agitation-free New Year. Because all sections of the people are agitating, whether it is staff nurse, whether it is sanitary workers, whether it is farmers, whether Jacto Geo workers, all the teachers, all are agitating, but the Chief Minister saying that we are very happily celebrating the 2026. And another thing I am telling, Chief Minister is telling, 14th and 15th will be celebrated as Dravida Pongal. I am not against Dravidam. We are all Dravidians only. But Tamil Pongal, he is telling Dravida Pongal means he is hiding the name of Tamil. He is ignoring Tamil. So we say Tamil Pongal, Tamilar Tirunal, that is the name we coin. So we are not against the name of Dravidan, but he is hiding the name of Tamil. So he is ignoring the Tamil, he is avoiding the Tamil. This is highly condemnable, and he always says that Honorable PM is against Tamil, but he should understand for the 11th excavation, Honorable Prime Minister has allotted the funds for Keeladi excavation, and the Honorable Prime Minister, with the guidance of our Honorable Prime Minister, Kasi Tamil Sangamam has been celebrated in Rameshwaram, and he has requested the people to learn Tamil. So our Honorable Prime Minister is the custodian of Tamil, not the DMK, because they are, in the name of Dravidam, they are hiding the pride of Tamil.